Welcome aboard with our adventures driving around New Zealand. 19 days around the South Island. Check us out if you seek adventure. When it comes to passes, most people think Arthur's Pass, a great drive and the subject of a soon-to-be released video. But Arthur's Pass is only a meagre 920 metres above sea level. Where do you think we're going? No, it's not the Crown Range Pass, but that is the winner and the highest pass in New Zealand at 1121 metres above sea level. It's a dramatic spot perched between Queenstown and Wanaka, offering sweeping views of the Remarkables and the Cardrona Valley. You will find a video in our playlist. Do have a look if you get the chance. In this video, we drive over the Lindis Pass with an elevation of 971 metres, and we put the drone up for an aerial view from the car park. You will be rewarded with a cinematic view down the valley. Golden tussock-covered mountains stretch endlessly in every direction, creating a surreal windswept landscape unique to this part of the South Island. And it never used to be like this. These hills were once forests, and experts believe they know why these hills are now barren. I'll get into that in just a moment. What do you think of this drive? It's certainly different compared to the rest of New Zealand. We started off out of Lake Tekapo in a winter wonderland, and then driving through the centre of the South Island around Omarama, passing through golden autumn foliage, before starting this climb up towards Lindis Pass. This area is believed to have been once forest, comprising primarily of beech trees. Now, as you can see, the hills are barren and they're only covered with golden tussock grasses. Fortunately, these grasses are snow tussocks and are a native species, but before human habitation, this area was likely covered in forests, as I said, primarily beech. And who do you think is to blame for the disappearance of these forests? One guess. See if you get it right. Okay, time's up. Like our Australian Aborigines, the Maori tribes used controlled burning to open up this land for travel and hunting. Whilst they didn't clear the forests in Lindis Pass, their fires likely contributed to the transformation from forests to grassland, somewhat similar to our Aborigines or First Nation people in Australia who transformed a lot of Australia into eucalyptus forests. Now, if you also guessed Europeans, then you are basically on the money, as European settlement accelerated the transformation to open grassland to enable farming and grazing of our domestic type livestock like sheep. Now, we're getting close to the car park where we're going to put up the drone. So have a look at the aerial views, and look, if you think this video is worth a like, please give us a like and leave a comment of what you think. I hope these videos are improving, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.